Hello, my dear friends. Today we are going to study the chapter Fluid Properties, and in this, we are going to study three basic properties in detail, starting with the first property, which is the density of a fluid. It is represented by the symbol rho, and its formula is mass per unit volume. We know that mass is fixed at every given condition, but volume changes with respect to temperature and pressure, and the density is inversely proportional to volume. So, if pressure and temperature are varying, for example, pressure increases, then its volume decreases, thus rising the density of the fluid. But if the temperature increases, the volume also increases and the density decreases. So, if pressure and temperature are fixed, the density does not change. Now coming over to the units of density, which is mass per unit volume, therefore kg per meter cube. It is the MKS unit, and dimensional formula is ml minus 3. 1 kg per meter cube is equal to 1 by 1000 of a gram per centimeter cube. Another way of expressing density is reciprocal of specific volume, which is volume per unit mass, and its unit are kg centimeter per gram or meter cube per kg. Coming over to the second property, which is specific weight. It is given by symbol rho, symbol W, and its formula is weight of the fluid upon volume of the fluid, which is equal to W by V, and W is equal to mg. Rearranging the terms and writing m by V as rho, we find the formula of rho W as rho g. Its unit are Newton per meter cube in SI units, and dimensional formula is ml minus 2 T minus 2. Writing rho g in its unit and multiplying the units of rho and g, we find its MKS unit to be kg per meter square second square. And on further simplification, 1 gram per centimeter square second square is equal to 10 kg per meter square second square. Now we will see the variation of specific weight. It varies with the location because acceleration due to gravity varies radially from the center of the earth. And secondly, it varies with the pressure and temperature because rho also varies. So we can say that specific weight is a function of pressure, temperature and location. Therefore, it is not an absolute property. Now coming over to the final and last property, which is the specific gravity, and it is also called relative density. It is the ratio of density of a given fluid or an object with respect to the density of water, which is considered to be a standard fluid with its density 1000 kg per meter cube at 4 degrees Celsius, and it is maximum at that temperature. Since it is simply the ratio of two similar quantities, it is dimensionless and has no units. For example, the density of a gold element is 19,300 kg per meter cube. When we divide it by 1000, the density of water, we get 19.3, which is the specific gravity of gold. Now coming over to the most important part of relative density, which is the significance of it. So if an object floats in water, then it tells the fraction of that object submerged in that fluid. For example, if a body has a relative density of 600 kg per meter cube and a relative density of 0.6, and it is floating in water, then 60% of the volume of the block is floating inside the water surface and 40% is above it. So coming on to the practical application, ice or an iceberg has a density of 920 kg per meter cube, that is the specific gravity of 0.92. So only 8% volume or the part of an iceberg is visible with the naked eye. That was the case which happened with the driver of the Titanic ship. He was unable to judge that iceberg is coming in the way of the ship, and unfortunately it got drowned after striking with it. So if a body has specific gravity greater than 1, then it will be completely submerged. That's why the iron nail, which is having a specific gravity of 7.87, gets submerged while a ship does not. Have you ever wondered why this happens? This is simply because it is hollow and aerofoil structure leads to the decrease of its density, and thus it is able to flow without sinking into the water. So that's all for today's lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.